Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2015 Hyundai Tucson GL. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice chrome exhaust deck there. We got a nice roof spoiler, splash guards. Moving to the front, we have splash guards on the front as well, a nice license plate bracket, and that nice Hyundai grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do have plenty of cargo space. You got a little cargo cubby there, a nice 12-volt right there, little hooks all around. Got a nice little privacy screen right here, as well as lifting this up. Oh, come on. We do have some storage with your spare tire as well. Taking a look on the inside, we can see here we do have some nice gray cloth interior, and for seating for up to 5, we have some nice brown interior as well. Cargo nets on the back of the seats, plenty of door space, and of course if you don't need that extra person, this does fold out for 2 cup holders and some arm space, and we do have carpeted flooring as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have that nice gray cloth interior, that brown accent, the Tucson logo, plenty of door space with the browning on the door, your mirror adjusters, locks, you have your light locking differential and downhill descent right there, hood, and parking brake just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 180,100 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your cruise control there, trip, phone, volume, channel, mode, and voice just right there. And on this screen you can see your fuel consumption and your coolant, which is pretty nice. Gear shift, which is also brown. Cup holders, storage with 2 12-volt aux and USB just right there. Brown leather-wrapped center console with a ton of storage down there as well. Heated front seats, plus your climate's right there, rear climate there, as well as you do have storage right there. You have your Bluetooth, CD, and up here you do have a nice sunglass holder, which is pretty handy. We have a radio, media, phone, seek track, the usual, volume, your fave stations, your menu, such as App Store, so on and so forth, tune, file, enter, active eco, and traction just right there. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is UA78392A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.